welcome back to the channel. So today, didn't get out riding, very snowy, so decided to do a bike check of my 2018 Trek Fully X. So we'll start off up the front here. We have Schwalbe Nobby Nick Plus tires, very good, 27 plus, very good tire, works in snow, mud, everything. Down here, SRAM Guide R 160mm brakes, 160mm rotor, and up to the forks we got Fox Rhythm 34s, 130mm, and MBUK mudguard. Up to the cockpit we got Bontrager Line 60mm stem, and I just put on Raceface Atlas bars. They were 780s, but then something happened and we cut them down to 760s, so not too bad. I got Bontrager RL grips, SRAM GX shifter, Eagle one. Down the frame is a 17.5 inch frame, probably medium I think, I don't know, with 130mm Fox reactive Evol shock. Down to the cranks we have Truevit Descendant, I think, I don't know, and then the back 160 Guide R's. Round to the other side, I am running SRAM GX 12 speed with a 32 tooth chain, leak proof Electron Evo pedals out of YT Industries ball cage, ball cage for his bike, and didn't work. Seat, I think it's just a standard Bontrager seat. Seat post is E13 TRS Plus dropper post, 150mm drop. The sad thing is 130mm forks and shocks, 150mm drop post. So that's just a basic run through the bike. Right. So yeah, overall it's just an awesome bike, just class. Right, that's it for today's video. Sorry it's so short, but what can you do? Also, I'm working on a project. I'll go away in March to film it. It'll probably be out the 18th or 19th or the 21st, I don't know, whatever day I make the upload. So also I'm racing April, May, August, September, I don't know, in the various First Tracks and Joe Cup, and I'll see what other races I do between then. So thanks for watching.